Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk about the correct pronunciation of the vowels, consonants, and 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 the tongues. The first is this. Is this? The correct pronunciation is e, like the word e, meat, meat. The second is this. This is the same, but it's short. E. Sorry. E is short. E. E. Like the word eat. Eat. Another. The next is this. The the correct is oo, oo, oo. For example, good, good. The another is this. Is this? This can, for example, food, food. The another is this. Is this? The correct pronunciation is e, e. For example, bed, bed. Sorry. The correct pronunciation is e, e. For example, bed, bed. The another is this, this. The correct pronunciation is a, a. For example, teacher, teacher, teacher. The another is this. That sound like for example, bird, bird, bird. We continue with this, this symbol. It sounds like ah, ah. For example, cat, cat, cat. The next is this. This sound like ah, ah. For example, money, money. The next group are adjectives. We start with this. The sound is yeah, yeah. For example, here, here, here. The next is this. Sound like ua, ua. For example, cooler, cooler, cooler. The another is this. Is this. Sound like air, air. For example, the word is share, share, share. Sorry. This is a like the word play, and this is air. For example, the word is where. The next is this. Sounds like oi. For example, the word is boy. The next is this. The sound is like I. For example, the word is my. The next is this. The sound is oh. For example, the word is go. This sound ow, like the word brown. Pasamos ahora a las últimas, que son las consonantes, las cuales vamos a empezar con esta que está por aquí. Esta suena como ch, como para decir chess, chair. The next is this. Esta suena como ja, como por ejemplo para decir trabajo, job. La siguiente es esta. Suena como como por ejemplo cuando decimos very. La siguiente es esta. Suena como para decir think. La siguiente es esta, que pues es prácticamente lo mismo. Lo podemos usar en the, da, this. La siguiente es esta. Suena como shh. Lo podemos usar en shu. Y la última por hoy es esta. Suena como cuando decimos television. Bueno, y esto fue todo por hoy. Espero que les haya gustado.